Hey everyone, welcome back to Shiksha. I'm Saurabh Saha, and today's adventure is going to blow your mind. Before we kick off this exciting journey, make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Trust me, you don't want to miss any of our awesome Excel updates from Shiksha. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of web scraping with a custom-made VBA function. It's so simple that even a child could do it. Get ready to have web scraping skills at your fingertips. To get started, we need to set up this custom function in the VBA editor. First things first, let's open the VBA editor. Alt F11 is your magic ticket to this wonderland. Next up, we need to insert a new module. Just left-click on Insert, then select Module. Now, here comes the fun part, copying and pasting the code. Don't worry, we've done all the hard work for you. Simply copy the code from the description below, paste it into the module, and close the VBA editor. And that's it. You're ready to start scraping data from any website with ease. All right, let's make this as smooth as butter. First up, open your browser. Anyone will do. Now, head to the website you want to grab data from. We'll use this site for our demo. Copy that web address and hop back over to Excel. Paste the URL you copied into a cell, like C2. Now, back to the browser. Right-click on the data you're eyeing and hit Inspect or Inspect Element at the bottom. Look for something called a class name and copy it. Jump back to Excel and paste that class name into a cell, like D2. Now for the magic. Type equals web scrap data. Then click on the cell with the URL, then the one with the class name, and close those parentheses. Hit Enter. It will take some count to fetch the data from web, but don't worry, it will work properly. And voila! You've just pulled off a digital heist, snagging data from the web without breaking a sweat. It's like being a data ninja, slicing through the internet jungle with ease. Enjoy your freshly scraped data, my friend. This function takes two parameters, the URL of the website you want to scrape and the class name of the HTML object. It uses these to fetch and extract the data you need directly into your Excel sheet. This function is super versatile. You can get the data from any website with just URL and class name only. Try it today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who might find it useful. Also, don't forget to leave a comment if you have any questions or if there's something specific you want me to cover in future videos. Thanks for watching and happy learning.
Thanks for watching. For more related content, please like, subscribe and press the bell button. And feel free to comment.